Abby, the social media manager here at SBBlooms.
And I'm Emily, the social media coordinator.
And today we're going to show you how to recreate an intimate sweetheart table that you guys voted on last week. Here is the inspiration picture. And you guys voted on us recreating it with the Marlowe Collection, so that's what we're going to show you how to do today.
So the products you'll need to recreate this look is 1 Marlowe bridal bouquet, 6 Marlowe aisle markers, 3 Marlowe large centerpieces, 2 Marlowe centerpieces, 1 Marlowe Garland, and 4 gold lanterns. And the only tools you'll need today are zip ties to make the swags with the markers.
Yes, and this was such an easy sweetheart table to put together, and all of these items can be repurposed from ceremony to reception, so you get more bang for your buck. We love to encourage this because you just have more savings.
Yeah.
Now let's get into it. That is how you recreate this intimate sweetheart table with our Marlowe collection. Of course, this can be recreated with any of our other 15+ on-trend wedding flower collections.
If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See you guys next time.
Bye.